This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Heavy rains headed towards Johannesburg, South Africa on Sunday, November 16, 2025. It's going to bring a lot of rain in Johannesburg, South Africa and the surrounding areas in eastern South Africa. It's going to bring so much rain, it's going to bring a lot of puddles in the streets, and there'll be lots of puddles on the streets, and it's going to be really wet conditions, including on freeways in Johannesburg, South Africa. Make sure where you are, rubber boots, raincoats, and raincoats ready. Don't walk through the puddles. Don't drive your car through the puddles. So much rain is happening in Johannesburg, South Africa on Sunday, November 16, 2025. Stay dry and be safe. Be prepared. Be safe.